How to change Candy Crush Saga profile picture. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, open the Candy Crush Saga app on your phone. And you simply need to accept the terms and make sure it is up to date. And then you will reach on this interface where you have to make sure that you have created and signed into your account. If you haven't, you can proceed by tapping on the gear icon at bottom left, select my account and you can create or log into your account. So let's tap. Now you'll reach on this page where you can simply see your account. So tap on the camera icon on your profile picture. And then you can see the browser. You can choose any one of those. Now you will open on a new website where you can easily tap on change image button and you can easily select an image from a gallery or you can tap on camera and take a picture. Now after choosing a picture here you can easily adjust your image and tap on save image and wait until it is uploaded. And with that your new profile picture will be changed. You can go back to the game. And in this way, you can successfully change Candy Crush Saga profile picture. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.